Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Finally. Got the bushings in. So much better. That one's still a little loose, but I'm not seeing that as being an issue. I may tinker with it just a little bit more, see if I can't get it a little tighter, because I definitely like the looks of that one so much better. So we'll let you know in a couple of minutes, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and we got it. It's in like it's supposed to be. Apparently, I just didn't adjust it properly. But now we are doing really good. That's nice and tight. It's doing good. So, all right, we'll have the boss take it out for a test drive, and we'll let you know. All right, see you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. As you can see, I've disassembled the upper one, which goes in here, and let me see if I can zoom in on that. New bushing. So that going in will be like that. But what I want to do, I'm hoping I've got enough to be able to do it without causing an issue, is I want to put a washer on each side, just so that it really sandwiches everything in there, nice and tight. I don't want to have this thing fall apart while the client's driving it down the road. And with a new bushing in there, it should be so much better, because we've got these taken care of, as you can, with last video. Oop. Did you hurt yourself over there? Yeah. You gonna live? I think so. Can I amputate anything? No. Damn. It's been a while since I've played doctor. I want to play doctor again and amputate something. I'm not a doctor. I'm a freelance gynecologist. Same thing. I got a boing boing I made. Nice. You made a boing boing? Yeah. Damn, I really put that one in there. All right, so we'll leave that there. I think, maybe. Let me see if I can get that. There we go. Now we're where we need to be. Let's go back up. Okay. All right, so I'm going to take care of this. Try and pinch this in there with... Come on, focus. There we go. So I'm going to try and pinch this in there with a couple of washers, because I just want it to be nice and tight and safe. And I got a little bit of lubricant to put on there. So we'll get it all greased up and make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, I'll try and get you on the next one.